To connect your Spectrum remote to a Xumo box, the goal is to control the Xumo box with your Spectrum remote. There are three primary methods: auto programming, manual code entry, and HDMI CEC. First, try auto programming. Hold the Setup button on your remote until the light blinks. Select Auto Search. The remote will scan for the Xumo box, which may take a couple of minutes. Test if the remote controls the Xumo box. If auto programming fails, use manual codes. Turn on the Xumo box. Press Cable or Input on your remote. Enter specific codes like 756 or 0279. Find a complete list of codes on the Spectrum website or app. Test the volume and power functions after entering the code. Spectrum's firmware prioritizes Bluetooth pairing where possible for a faster, more reliable connection. HDMI CEC, or Consumer Electronics Control, allows your TV remote to control the Xumo box through the HDMI cable connection. To enable it, go into your TV settings and look for CEC options. It might be labeled as Samsung's Smart TV CEC or LG's SimpLink. This feature provides basic control over the Xumo box without needing additional programming. For troubleshooting common issues, start by ensuring both your remote and Xumo box have the latest firmware updates. If you see errors like code 0, it might be due to IR interference. Try switching to Bluetooth mode using the Spectrum app. If pairing still fails, older remotes from before 2022 might not be compatible, and Spectrum provides free replacements. A common fix is to reset the remote to factory settings and then reprogram it with CEC enabled on your TV. With HDMI CEC enabled and these troubleshooting steps applied, your Spectrum remote and Xumo box setup should work seamlessly together.